In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to build a visual progress bar in your database using formulas and custom formatting. First, let's get started by adding a database to your page. I'll click here to create a new table. Go ahead and choose the database you want to work with. This is where we'll add our progress tracking columns. We'll need to add a few columns to make this work. Click the plus icon here to add your first column. For this column, choose Number as the property type. This will let us store numerical values for our progress calculations. Let's name this column something like Current or Value. This will track where you are right now in your progress. Now we'll do the same thing again to create a second number column for your target or goal value. Time to add one more column. This is where the magic happens. We'll use a formula to calculate the percentage. This time, choose Formula as your column type. Formulas let us do automatic calculations based on the other columns. Let me open the formula editor so we can enter the calculation that will determine your progress percentage. Here's where you'll enter a formula that divides your current value by your target value. This gives you the percentage complete. Perfect! Click Done to save your formula and apply it to all rows in your database. Here's the finishing touch. Change the display format to bar, and you'll see your percentage transform into a visual progress indicator. And there you have it. Your progress bar will automatically update whenever you change the current or target values, giving you a clear visual of how far you've come. You've successfully created a dynamic progress bar in your database. Feel free to customize the colors and labels to match your workflow.